Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do an unboxing on the NiceC grill table with wing panels. Purchased from Amazon. It was about $120 Canadian. I picked it because it's made out of metal all the way through, so it won't fall apart. It looks solid and everything like that. So I'm going to open it up, take a look at it, get it set up, and see what we think of it. Possibly we'll do a review down the road on what it's like. So here we go. I bought us some other stuff from NiceC. I bought some portable chairs that we can take on our e-bikes, and they've worked out exceptionally well. They're well built. They're nice and light. They're sturdy. Oh, good grief. It's packed in there good. There you go. So it's got bubble wrap all the way around it. So you can see the metal grill that the table is made out of. And there we are. So you can see that there's latches here to hold it together. There's a handle for carrying it. So it weighs, I don't know, 7-8 pounds, something like that. Not exceptionally heavy, but it does look sturdy. You have metal grill on both sides, and then on the ends you're going to have pullouts on them. So let's open this up. There you go. And you can see that there's extender legs, 2 different sets of them. There's a pouch. Not sure what's in the pouch. So these are your instructions. Unlock the latch, lift up the legs, blah, 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 blah. So hopefully we'll follow the directions as we go along here. So, and the pouch doesn't tell me anything about what the pouch is for. All right. So we lift up the legs. Let me see. And make sure they're locked in place. Lift up both sides. Locked in place. And that's your fold out part. We'll put that out in a little bit. So we have extender legs here. Now I'm not sure how we get these out of here. I'm not sure how. Oh, there you go. Okay. They just pull out. All right, so the legs snap in place here, the extender legs. Some go underneath, some go on the top. These will screw into place, I'm assuming. Yep. I think the only problem that I've seen with this is it might be a little bit too low, but we'll see with the extender legs where they sit. you go. I think without the extender legs, they'd probably be way too short. But possibly you could grill sitting down. Or it could be a side table at a picnic or an outdoor gathering. So it seems very solid. Oops. Fold up a little bit. All right, and then that latches in there so that it doesn't fold up on you. There you go. And we have fold out. Make sure you lock the arm in place. And there you have it. I guess it won't be too bad for grilling. It's a nice size. Let's just take a look at some of the details here, okay? So that's your locking thing for the side. Here's the lock when you're folding it up. The latch to make sure that it doesn't fold while you're using it. And these, make sure these are locked in place as well. It just makes the table more sturdy. And you can see the grill there. It's a smooth finish, so it should be easy to clean up. And that's the NiceC grilling table.